life. Nothing really did this life, oh. Nothing. People die before their time. The young ones are not even spared. A lot of people falling into depression on a daily, different kind of illness, sicknesses, diseases, all in this one life. And then there is you somewhere sitting down, hitting your chest and saying one person no go succeed. For human being wey you no create. There is you somewhere putting calls to terminate people's contracts. There is you somewhere bad-mouthing people. There is you somewhere taking food from people's mouths. All this influence, all these connections, all this power that you think you have, it only takes one sleep that you will never wake up from. And everything is gone. So to what end? To what end? What is the fight for? What is the anger for? We are not going to come out of life alive. Yes. One day, all of us go. So the least we can do now that we are here is to be kind to one another. Especially people who never offend you before, but you just care them for mind for no reason. You say, no, this one, I no go gree. You don't know, say you waste time, say make one person no pass. You self, you dey one place. You self, they stagnant. To what end? For how long are we going to continue like this? Over the years, I've had my own fair share of these people that I talked about. But to the glory of God, I never came out to beg for food. Because God, where they run am, never tire. And why I say, thank God, say man no be God. Because if to say man na God, therefore don't put call to God. Say, Baba God, I beg, stop blessing NKECHI. Live and let others live. This life no really hard, but now we dey inside this world, now they make am be like say it hard. It doesn't remove anything from your body to support one another. It doesn't take anything for you to, from you to be there for one another. It doesn't take anything from you to genuinely like one another without being in a competition or whatsoever. I no go gree. Why? All this fight. If these people where you carry for mind, would you be happy with the last conversation you guys had in case if anything happened tomorrow? Or you are just naturally wicked, or you just hate these people gods, or you just hate to see good things? Which is it? Because sudden death is flying around, but it will never be our portion. But to those that we've lost, may God rest their soul. To the remaining of us, let's be kind. Because in a split seconds, this thing called death can happen to anybody. I have lost a lot of people in my life, the ones that I love the most. So I know how it feels to lose someone.
tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí NKECHI Blessing tí ó sọ nínú fídíò yìí nípa Lizzy Anjorin. Ẹ ti gbọ́ oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó sọ. Ẹ gbọ́ bó ṣe sọ wípé kí oníkálùkù kí wọ́n máa wu ìwà dáadáa o, kí wọ́n yé sọ ayé máa yà, wípé kí wọ́n ṣe jẹ́jẹ́. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ gbọ́ àwọn àṣírí èyí tí NKECHI Blessing tí ó tú nínú fídíò yìí. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn, àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí NKECHI Blessing sọ yìí ǹjẹ́ kò wá lágbára bí? Tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ tí ẹ wo fídíò wa nìyí, ẹ jọ̀wọ́ tẹ subscribe button fún àǹfààní láti máa rí púpọ̀ lára àwọn fídíò wa wò. Ó tún di ọjọ́ mìíràn, ọjọ́ ire.
I just hope this touches your mind. Ìwà lágbára ayé, tó rò pé ìwọ nìkan, the whole world is in your hands that you can do and undo. It's a lie. One sleep, just one, and you close your eyes and you never open it again. What are you going to tell God?